Thank everyone. This is our sixth year when we are celebrating Navratri. We started with around 8 families. This year we have 45 families joined us for the Navratri. So big hand for everyone. While it was a great community spirit, so thank you everyone to make this evening memorable, and we had a great Navratri celebration. We did puja, aarti, Batkamma, and everything what we can do for Mata Devi. So I would like to mention few names. We have done everyone together, but few names who have given their house. So who have host this time, Mr. Mani Ishwar and Aradhna Babu. So I please invite everyone to please come on the stage. And one more thing, our Mani Bhai has also made this venue available for us, for everyone to enjoy. There is no cost, we are free of cost for us. So Aradhna, please come on the stage. Okay, next one, when we were having goddesses sitting, there was a food arrangement done. On Aruna and Ravi, they graciously give us their garage for food and prasad. So Aruna and Ravi. Now, if everyone enjoyed the decoration, right? What you see here, beautiful. When we had in our garage, right? That everything goes to Varshi and Venkat. So please give them a big hand. Okay. They did for us not a single payment. And she was looking at every single thing that it has to be pitch perfect. So thank you, Varshi. Where is she? I don't know. Then it goes to our core community committee, where we started. Mr. Vinod is standing there behind. So Mr. Vinod and Lalita, please come on the stage. Whoever can come. Then we have Megha and Jeevan doing everything. So we didn't do anything specific, but everybody was doing everything. Suresh is also shaking hands. So Suresh, please come on the stage. Okay, so one person is sitting behind the camera and one was in front of the camera. That is Arvind and Shimna. So please, thank you. Okay, so we had a good Batkamma, all the ladies were there. So I want to mention few names. Swati, right, Shrikant, and who are the other? There are a lot of ladies, so I will miss. Megha, I already mentioned.
Swati, Megha, Shiva. Srilata. They did Bhattam.
This time you must have seen the flyers. A lot of flyers about announcement. That was all made by the Sampada. So please, thank you, Sampada. Then there was one more important hand, managing, calling a lot of people, arranging the stage, and the cultural program lead, Mr. Srini Bhaktina and Veena. Okay, this performance is not going as planned, but there are few names left who were part of the core committee, who are helping us, calling multiple people, Mr. Abhishek Tare and Prachi Tare. I don't see, so please. And then there are a lot of other families, I think everybody sitting here. All those ladies, right? Because I know only their kids' name. Unfortunately. And Dinesh, Sunanta, Gunjan. Who else? And all the participants participate. We had a great evening today. All the choreographers, most of the kids choreographed themselves. Some new talent. You have seen the young girls when they were just born, maybe 6 years ago, and now we see them dancing on the stage and performing. It was amazing to watch them. So thank you all the parents for encouraging their kids. And then we have some good EC members. What is that? MC, right? Okay. So overall, this is all a community. Everyone participated. We had 4 days of Navratri celebration when we did a potluck for Prasadam. So everybody was bringing. Thanks.